As our communities recover from the flood, Lake After Hours encourages you to be safe. Our Denham Springs clinic is temporarily closed, but our other 10 Lake After Hours locations are open. We invite our Denham Springs patients to visit nearby Lake After Hours on O'Neill Lane, now with expanded hours from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. weekdays and 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. weekends. Lake After Hours in Central is now open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. Lake After Hours has been there for you for almost 20 years. We're here for you now.